Alright guys, my brows are done, my face is moisturized, my hair looks cray-cray. Let's get straight into it. So I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation in 310. I'm going to dot that over my face and then blend it out with a beauty blender. I actually applied 2 layers of this. I forgot to show the other layer, but I wanted a lot of coverage because, you know, it's Eid. And then Wet n Wild concealer. I think I need to stop using this so much, but I can't help it. I love it so much. I'm just applying this under my eyes, and then a little bit on my chin and a little bit on my forehead. This is just to highlight those parts. And then I'm going to blend that out with a beauty blender again. Make sure you really blend well. Like really get that into your skin. You don't want it to be like sitting on top of your skin. And then I'm going to set it with the Wet n Wild Contour Duo in Caramel Toffee. And this is me trying to remember to smile, because I realized I never smile in my videos. But yeah, and this is the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer, and I'm just warming up my face. I think I might have gotten a slight tan, so my face is looking a little bit lighter, but this warmed it up pretty well, so I really love it. It's a very subtle, really easy to apply bronzer. And then I'm using the Bare Minerals Gen Nude blush in something peach. I forget what it is. I'll list it below. Then I'm going to prime with MAC's Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I got a new one. My other one was like old and gross. And then I'm going to use this shade from, I believe it's Makeup Geek. Again, shades will be listed below. I just always forget. But yeah, I'm just going to apply that with a blending brush to my crease. And then I'm going to use this really pretty orangey yellow color and apply that to the crease as well. And this is very light, so you want to keep layering. You want to use a light layer and then layer more on top so that you can just really build the color, which I had to do. It wasn't really showing up that much at first, but then just building it really helped. And then the star of the show, this is Colourpop Chauffer. It was beautiful, orangey gold ever. It's so stunning. It's so different from the other golds I've used. Like, trust me, even in person, you'll notice if you put a gold next to it and this, you'll see how different it is. It's beautiful. So yeah, I just applied that with my fingers, super easy peasy. And then I sprayed a brush with MAC's Fix Plus, and I just applied some more on top just to get it to really shine and be like, you know, pow. Like, I don't know what that means. My usual winged eyeliner. I do have a full tutorial already on my channel. I'm just bringing that eyeliner just to the three quarters, and I didn't bring it all the way in. I'm just gonna apply a couple coats of mascara. I also curled my lashes. And moving on to lips, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude. Do you see how small it's getting? Because it's like my favorite lip liner. I'm just gonna line my lips with this, and then I'm gonna use Iman Nude and apply that on top. I love this combination. And then for lashes, I actually don't know what lashes these are, but they weren't very good. They weren't like sticking on very well. I think maybe it's like time to let them go. And that's it. That's the whole look. So easy, but a lot of you guys requested this look. I really love it. I love the simplicity of it. One of my lashes is falling off. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check out my lookbook in the previous video. All the details for this outfit will be listed below. This is me trying to be like a good little Bengali beau. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and Eid Mubarak.